This is just a quick example showing some of the use cases around auto-populating of forms and dynamic questions. So based upon what somebody has said previously, we're going to load up different types of questions from what they've selected. This originally was a PDF form. It was very complex to fill in, and most of the time people actually got it wrong. So it caused a lot of delay in getting the application started, and a lot of staff needed around vetting the information that was collected first of all, and checking those errors before things could start, and that was quite a tedious job. So in this particular example, I've got to fill in quite a bit of information. Since we might know who the person is, I've used use my details, so it pre-populates a form with known information. At the time of capture, you can attach images directly, so it's not like at the end there's a list of attachments you have to provide. Here you attach them as you go along. Other things that I've got inside here is almost a wizard-driven approach where you say next, next, next. On this particular page over here, we've got additional information that they need to fill in, but what I really want to highlight is this area over here. So as I say that I am a company, you'll see that now there's a whole bunch of additional details that are required to be filled in. If I'm a trust, again, slightly different information. And if I say an individual, even less information. But again, depending on what you're selecting, a whole lot of information is loading up. So what happened before, based upon the type of ownership and the proof of ownership, there's a whole bunch of questions. And this was the area in the PDF which was very confusing for people to try and work out. What I've also done in this particular one is if I've said that I'm an individual, then I can say yes, there's some co-owners. It opens a section where I can now add co-owners, which opens up an additional form which has got some more complex logic where I can come in and put certain details of a particular co-owner that might be involved in this, including their signature that might need to go along. And as I save those in, it adds those as line items into that particular record. There we go. So it's added that as a line item, and if I go and edit that after the fact, I can't change the signature or change any of the data. So that's just a quick example of stepping through wizards using a KD Smart form, and based upon certain information that is selected, certain information then is loaded up and additional questions are asked.